Hi, I'm Holly Pike. If you'd like a trial of the Generation software that I use for digitizing, please visit trygenerations.com. This video is a recording of a live video I did for my previous students. You may hear references to You Can Digitize or YCD. That's my old website that is now closed. My new website is digitizingschool.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Morning. Welcome to Digitizing Quick Start, Digitize in a Day classroom. I'm Holly Pike with YouCanDigitize.com, and I'll be your teacher for the day. Glad to have you with me. We're going to have some fun. We'll go through the basics of the software, and at the end of the day, well, before the end of the day, you'll be digitizing. You ask me how I know that. Well, because I have a lot of experience. I've taught hundreds and hundreds of students, just like I'm going to teach you. I have a team right now of about 12 or 13 digitizers, excellent digitizers that I have trained and got them started in their software. They're very talented, and I'm proud of them. I have had, between all of my classes, roughly about 30 people in and out of my apprentice program that have actually apprenticed for me at one time or another. I have a core group, and that is my senior group, and they are amazing, and a couple of them are here with me today. And glad to have you guys with me. That being said, I've been teaching Generation software for roughly 16 years. We were trying to figure that out this morning, and it's been since about a year after the software was released on the market. And I don't remember how long that is now, but I've been teaching it pretty much since it came out. And I love the software. I've tried everything out there with the exception of maybe one now that's out there. And I keep coming back to Generations. And I keep coming back because it just is, it's great software. It's intuitive. It's simple. Everything's in one place. You don't have to open separate screens and have a design center and then a editing place. It's all in one place, and I really like that because all my tools are handy to me at any given time. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first module. Again, my name is Holly Pike, and I'll be your teacher for the day, and I'm delighted to have you with me.